Hey, Aaron. This is some case you brought in today.
Well, if you get your client to give my client all the money we're asking for, we could just all go home.
Yeah, and get disbarred for giving my client really bad advice. You know, I have a lot of work waiting back at the office, but I think I'm going to hang around a little while longer.
You know, Amy, I always liked your sense of humor. You're a great gal. I just don't understand how you could represent management in employment discrimination cases.
Why not?
Well, you're a smart young woman attorney. You're well-spoken and articulate. I would think you would be down with the struggle.
Oh, and how is one down with the struggle?
For starters, you could stop working for firms that represent management with all their racism and chauvinism and money-hungry ways and join firms like ours. As plaintiffs' counsel to employees, we always stand up for the little guy.
Really? And does your sense of righteousness also extend to your associates?
Of course. Why wouldn't it?
Well, I noticed that you have very few associates of color, no partners that are women, and most of your employee base is white men.
It's because there are very few attorneys of color to begin with. And then the really talented ones go to the big firms which represent management.
And where do you do your recruiting?
We ask our associates and our partners to spread word to their contacts in the legal community. We don't have a formal recruitment season like the big firms. We recruit when there's a need and mostly by word of mouth.
See, there's the problem. Your firm, made up nearly entirely of white men, reach out to their colleagues and associates who are most likely also white men. When was the last time your firm went and recruited at a historically black college or university? And what about inviting Latinos or women or the Asian population to an event? The way I see it, your firm is all about equal opportunity when it comes to clients, but when it comes to employees, that's not the case.
But that's...
The only reason why you want me for your firm is because I'm good at developing business.
That's exactly why we want great attorneys like yourself in firms like mine to help us recruit. Otherwise, it's just going to be a painfully slow process. I wish you would just consider the offer to come in and talk to our firm.
Thanks, Aaron. Aaron is a good guy, and I know he means no harm. However, he has no idea how insensitive he's being when he criticizes my decision to work for a law firm that represents management. I do a really good job helping managers and representing and advising them. Can you see how his assumptions about women attorneys and who they should represent is stereotypical?